And then last, circular economy. This is an area where the whole industry has a lot of work to do. There's a lot of opportunity to continue doing work, but it is something that we've done made some good progress in already. With our sustainable packaging, we have 100% recycled content in our packaging. We've explored and tried to develop more bio-based PVC in our products so that we can remove harmful stuff from our supply lines, make things more recyclable on our development side. And then, like I said earlier, we have a zero waste to landfill manufacturing plant that is not, that is successfully diverting waste from the landfill. And then we're also working on kind of what are the logistics of a take-back program, trying to recapture material, making sure that that material stays useful for longer. These are all things that we work into our design process and that we work into our supply chain.